Okay, meanwhile, while the file is downloading on your desktop, did you open the InDesign software, Adobe InDesign, did you open it? So you have the dark interface. You have the dark interface, and you will be able, if you wish, to change it to a lighter one. So on your PC, you should go into the Edit menu, onto Preferences, and I'm now on a Mac, so I have a menu named InDesign. You don't have it, and inside my InDesign menu, I find the Preferences submenu. On the Windows PC, you should go, of course, in the Edit menu to find those preferences, and you have the preferences for the interface. And first thing you are able to choose, if you wish, it's opt for a lighter interface. I will do it because here in the classroom, I think it will be easier for you to read on the wall everything if it's written in a black onto lighter background. I think this one is not easy to read. So I do it. You don't have to do it if you do not wish. Okay.